Hey class, it's your buddy Mrs. Steger. Today we're going to be talking about how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators. That means that the denominator in the addition or subtraction problem is the same in both fractions. For example, if I have 2/3 and I want to add 1/3 to that, what am I going to get? Well, the only thing that you need to worry about when you're adding or subtracting fractions with like denominators is the numerator. So the denominator is always going to stay the same. So all I have to do is just kind of move this 3 over because it's still going to be thirds. But I take my two numerators and again add them together. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is 3/3. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3. Let me show you why that is. Well, if we have a pie, and then we have another pie down here, and each one of these pies is divided into thirds, and we have, we have 2/3, 1, 2, plus 1/3, and we add them all together, that would be 1, 2, 3/3. Let's do this with subtraction. So let's say I have 5/6 minus 2/6. Again, I'm just moving that denominator over. It's the same for both, so that's all I have to do. And then I just do 5 minus 2, and I should get 3/6. And why is that? Because if we have a chocolate bar that is divided into sixths, and let's say we had 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of this chocolate bar. But we subtracted 2. See if we can do that. 2. Well, you got the idea. We are left with 1, 2, 3/6 of that chocolate bar. Now, sometimes you might see this with mixed numbers. For example, 3 and 4/6 minus 1 and 1/6. How do we do that? Well, the first thing we need to do is start with those whole numbers. So we know that 3 minus 1 is 2. And then we move on to the fraction. So again, our denominator is going to stay the same, but we're only worrying about the numerators. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And that works with addition as well. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about adding and subtracting with fractions with like denominators.